CRS? I think WXJ70 is pulling a CRS. Here we go! CRS! CRS! HHO by W... Bruh, WXJ70 just pulled a CRS. Not right now!
Nautical miles until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight
My
Time,
HH's battery is low.
a thunderstorm was located over Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, or near Mims, moving northeast at 15 knots. Additional storms should develop southward toward Cape Canaveral due to the sea breeze collision. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, Klondike Beach, Lagrange, all over Canal and Mims. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Marine forecast.